Did you know that Vonage has a video API? Instead of sending users to an external video app like Zoom and Google Meet, our video API lets you stream video directly into your web, mobile, or desktop application. It supports a wide range of use cases like one-on-one video, group video chats, and large-scale broadcast sessions. If you want to get coding right away, check out this tutorial that my colleague Chris put together on how to start a group video call on the web. In this video, we're going to explore how Vonage's Video API stands out through its customization, privacy, and performance, and how you can use it in your own application. The Video API is fully programmable and customizable. You can apply effects and filters to audio and video streams, like noise suppression for clearer audio and background blur for added privacy. You can also embed JavaScript components directly into live video sessions, add branded UI elements, and more. In addition, the API has a ton of AI-powered features to enhance the experience in real time. This includes live captions and translations, automated meeting notes and summaries, and gesture detection to identify and respond to user actions. When it comes to privacy and security, the Video API is built with compliance in mind. All features, including AI-powered ones, are designed to meet strict standards. Vonage AI capabilities are fully SOC 2 and GDPR compliant and covered by HIPAA BAA. All voice, video, and signaling traffic is encrypted using AES 128. Video recordings can optionally be encrypted with AES 256, both in transit and at rest for enhanced security. When it comes to performance, the Video API is built to scale. It can broadcast up to 15,000 interactive participants in real time and includes features like text chat messaging across all participants. It also offers flexible storage options, including AWS S3, Azure, and Google Cloud Storage. You can save recording as video, audio only, or a combination of both. To learn more about Vonage's Video API, as well as any of our other APIs, subscribe to this YouTube channel and check out our blog at developer.vonage.com.